Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are mastering easy English for work with a super fun dialogue. We are using our special double loop method. Here's how it works. First, listen to me. Second, repeat slowly with your friend. Third, listen to me say the full sentence again. Finally, your friend says it at a normal speed. It is fast, it is effective, and we are going to have a blast. Before we start, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps the channel. Are you ready to level up your office English? Let's dive in. Hey, did you get my email?
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 I missed it. I'm sorry.
I missed it. I'm so sorry.
I missed it. I'm sorry.
I missed it. I'm sorry.
No worries. It was not urgent.
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 Can we talk about the project?
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 Sure. Let's meet at 2 today.
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 The boss wants the final file.
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 Oh no, I need more time.
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 Don't worry, I can help you.
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 You are a real lifesaver.
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 That's what best friends are for.
That is what friends are for.
That's what best friends are for.
That's what best friends are for.
Is it time for lunch yet?
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 Yes, let's get some pizza now.
Yes, let's get pizza now.
Yes, let's get some pizza now.
Yes, let's get pizza now.
Do you want some coffee?
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 Put some milk in mine.
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 The printer is broken again.
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 Did you try turning it off?
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 My internet is so slow today.
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 This meeting could be an email.
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 Is it Friday yet? I wish.
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 I am finished for the day.
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 Let's go grab a drink.
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 Can you check my work?
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 It looks great to me.
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 My screen is frozen again.
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 Just restart your laptop now.
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 Let's take a short break.
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 I need to stretch.
I need to stretch.
I need to stretch.
I need to stretch.
You did a great job.
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 See you tomorrow morning, friend.
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 Great job, everyone. You are doing amazing. Keep practicing these phrases to sound more natural at work. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sessions. See you in the next video.